Thank you for your presentation. And the heads of the femurs and troctibia and humerus, those have been rated both easiest and most boring. So yes, it's very obvious. It's nice and round right there as the head, and they even made it in hot pink for you. I'm so excited that you put styloid process of the ulna. That's my second favorite styloid process. And it's right, there's this nice little knob that's sticking out. So it's really, really cool there. And I love styloid processes for some reason. I think because I used to have a pen that actually had the ink coming out of the styloid process right there. Yes, I've told you guys I'm a geek, so I love the styloid process. The radius, not so much, but this one I love. Yeah, the fossa and the scapula are boring if you don't like fossa. Is that why everyone was falling asleep when I was going over the different parts of the scapula? So I believe you were talking about the infraspinous fossa, which is generally this whole area and not the supraspinous fossa. So yeah, it's a big part. This is technically the body too. And I swear I could actually point to the different parts, but it's this nice large thing. And it's also very important though. It's where your infraspinatus muscle attaches. That's one of your rotator cuff muscles. So it's actually an important landmark to learn because of the rotator. Now you have other fossa. There's the glenoid fossa, subscapular fossa. Again, it's taking most of the anterior part of the scapula. So I can see where you're coming from. And back to the ulna. And yeah, a lot of people don't like the coronoid or the olecranon process. And it's really hard to pinpoint them, and it's not gonna really let me point them out. This right here is the, right here, see how it's a process? That is the coronoid process of the ulna. So let's make it a hot pink. So the process is this part, like this. So yeah, I can see where people don't really like that. It's really confusing. And you actually have a tuberosity there, the ulnar tuberosity, that I didn't teach you because you could confuse it too much. So just practice the bones and practice the landmarks on them with complete anatomy or actual skeleton in the library. So thank you for your presentation.